If you have 30,000 rupees and you are about to buy a tablet for college or gaming in 2026, wait. Most people are still buying the iPad 11, but they are making a massive mistake that will cost them their productivity. In 2026, if your tablet doesn't have any local generative AI, it's already obsolete. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 tablets that actually deserve your money. Let's go. Starting at number 5, we have the iPad 11. Look, it's an iPad. The A16 Bionic is reliable and resale value is great. But here is the deal breaker. It lacks the RAM for 2026 Apple Intelligence features. While every other tablet on this list can summarize your lectures and generate study notes locally, the iPad 11 just can't. If you are a student, buying this in 2026 is like buying a calculator in the age of ChatGPT. Only buy this if you are stuck in the Apple's ecosystem. At number 4, the Moto Pad 60 Pro. This is a hardware monster, a 12.7-inch 3K display with 144Hz refresh rate. They even give you the Moto Pen Pro for free in the box. It has integrated Moto AI for real-time translations, which is a huge win. The catch? Motorola's software update track record. You are getting Android 14, but don't expect 4 years of support. If you want raw power and a free pen right now, this is it. But don't expect it to feel new in 2028. Number 3 is the OnePlus Pad Go. This is the all-rounder of 2026. Powered by Dimensity 7300 Ultra, it runs Oxygen OS 16 like butter. The best part, during sales, you get the OnePlus Pad stylus for free. It's packed with OnePlus AI for photo editing and smart summaries. It's consistent, it's reliable, and 10,000 mAh battery means it won't die during your back-to-back classes. It's a safe and smart choice. Number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Why is this so high? Okay, Samsung is promising longest support in this price bracket. You get the full Galaxy AI feature, circle to search, note assist, that works. It also has IP68 water resistance. If you are someone who keeps their tablet for 4 to 5 years, this is the only tablet under 30K I would trust. It's a workhorse of this list. Finally, at number 1, the undisputed king, Xiaomi Pad 8. This is the flagship in disguise. It's packing the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset in 2026. Nothing touches this performance for under 30,000. HyperOS 3 is built specifically for Hyper AI. It can literally record your meetings, turn it into formatted document in seconds. Good for making notes, 144Hz and 3.2K resolution display with 45 watts turbocharging. It beats the iPad in power and Samsung in value. If you want the best tech 2026 has to offer, this is the choice you should make. So this was the whole collection of top 5 tablets from my end. What's your take on this? Please don't forget to comment.